Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. On Friday night, Trump announced tariff against Mexico and Canada and China also. On Saturday, Canada has retaliated by announcing 25% tariff against US. But Indian markets was focusing on budget, and as I told you yesterday, the people were expecting some blockbuster budget, and there was a no tax up to 12 lakh rupees was the only big positive. But again, as I said, that is not related to stock market. Anybody making 12 lakh, investing in stock market and making some profit, so then they are not eligible for that 12 lakh limit. Their limit will be only 4 lakh. So therefore, from a stock market point of view, it is totally a negative budget. And then FIAs have responded by selling even on a Saturday. Usually Saturday markets, they are not very active. So I'm sure FIAs will continue to sell. So the stock market is going to be in trouble. So that was my view. Even that was my view even before the budget also. So budget was the last chance for government to revive the sentiment of the stock market. But somehow the government has thought, it is not necessary. So who knows, the Reserve Bank responded about 1 week before. Now this is the response by the government. The government thought, this 12 lakh is just enough. There is nothing special required from a stock market point of view. Then next week, RBI policy is there. So they may do something in RBI policy. But then if the market continue to underperform, who knows? Something like 2019. 2019, it was just a sudden announcement. It was not a budget or any in parliament session was there. So who knows? They are maybe waiting for market to fall further. If I is not happy, then, off the system, that means not in the budget. So suddenly they may do something for stock market. But that probability is very low, because, uh, like corporate tax reduction is different, but they cannot do something for stock market specifically off the budget. But I don't know, they can do anything. In fact, last time budget, there was nothing about STT, but later, after a few days, we came to know there was some increase in STT in the budget fine prints, actually. So, because of this tariff war in US, the Trump tariff war started. US market has actually fallen 1.5-2% on Friday itself. And then now the futures are down another 1.5-2%. GIFT Nifty indicating about 200-point gap down. So with this 200-point gap down, probably the Nifty might be wiping out the entire pre-budget rally, we can say. So it's again, our market is going back to square one. So no concrete measures in budget. FIA keep selling, DIA keep buying. So the danger will come, when the retail people lose their faith in the stock market and stop pumping money into mutual fund, or worst case, they start redeeming from mutual funds. So that is when the domestic institutions will have no money to support this market. So right now the government thinking is that although FIs keep on selling, the domestic institutions keep on buying. So, that is well compensated. So there is nothing much required. So the government is hoping that at some point of time, FIs will stop selling and start buying. So if that happens at some point of time, if FIs stop selling and start buying, the markets can rally. Or, when the retail people lose the faith and they start redeeming the mutual funds, because already the mid cap and small cap mutual funds are, have delivered about 15 minus 15 to minus 20% in the month of January. If another month happens like this, then there will be a lot of pressure. So that is when the markets are likely to collapse. So anyway, so it is time not to be bullish. I'm not talking about today or tomorrow, even for the entire year. So that is the same picture I've painted yesterday, but today morning is the GIFT Nifty indicating about 200 point gap down. So let us see. And, as I told you, we are back to square and the problems are going to continue. And markets might not fall very big from here, but the time correction may be kicking in. So anyway, we have to keep watching 23,000 on the downside. And the next one is 22,800, which is the recent low. And higher side looks like 23,800 itself is going to be very difficult to cross. But even if some out of the blue things happens, even then the 24,000 is going to be a tough resistance for this month. So let us hope at least, markets move violently, but not breaking 23,000 on the downside, not taking out 24,000 on the upside. So at least, some option writers can make some money. So in this range bound market, but the range can be very big. So today we need to focus on FIA selling, right? So today, if FIAs are selling like 4,000 crore, 5,000 crore, so that means they've given a zero rating for a budget. So budget reaction is very, very important. And then, when global markets are falling, it is not necessary that we have to fall, because the last few months, the global markets were rising. US markets, Europe markets, most of the markets were trading at all-time high, but we were not trading at all-time high. So we were significantly lower. So because of the global cues, if there is a gap down, end of the day, if we are recovering, we are not following the global cues, then, we can think that, so budget reaction is positive. So anyway, today, tomorrow, and after tomorrow, these 3 days are very, very important to judge the FIA trend. So let us hope for something good. But as I always say, hope is the worst enemy in stock market. In fact, I was hoping for a big bull run after the budget, but that has not happened. So be realistic, be cautious. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.